All right, now let's talk props. Props are an excellent way to engage our students and help them grasp new content. I like to have about 3 props ready each time for my lesson, and I try to look for the places where either I know they might need a little extra engaging, or it's new content so it might be tricky to understand, or maybe it's something that there isn't a prop or a visual already on slide, but the topic might come up. I want to have props ready for those areas. The problem is sometimes it's tedious to scroll through all the slides through each lesson, find props for them, know what should be there. That takes a lot of time. Only one teacher really needs to do this once, and if they make a good list to share with other teachers, we don't have to keep recreating that wheel. So this tab is an excellent place to find ideas without spending a lot of time looking for them. So if you're adding a lesson note for props, you want to make sure that you're adding all possible useful props that apply to the lesson content. You don't actually need to use all of them or imply that any other teacher needs to use all of them. We just want to list all of them, so in case I have one of those, I can quickly grab it and I'll be ready for the lesson. Okay, what goes here? We want to have a typed out list of all the possible props. That way, if I have any of these, I can quickly grab it. Also, links to visuals. So you can do external websites, links to them so that you can go look at those ones, or maybe if you're using ManyCam or something else, you can show those. Also, you can create folders of visuals that you've created or free visuals that aren't copyrighted that you've collected. You can share links to those, both printable or digital ones. You can also share links to your Google Slides where you've collected these visuals into a folder. You can also outline DIY props. If you have a great idea of something simple and easy that any teacher could use, write it out for the teacher and include all the important details that they would need to know to understand what the prop is or what you're setting up or doing to show or use in the class. Okay, let me show you some good examples. For example, this is a great prop that I could share. I can share the link here, and that way anyone can access this and it'll take you here, and then you can use this as a prop. If you're a ManyCam user and you have a folder of collected copyright-free pictures that you'd like to share, please go ahead and share those. Okay, bad examples. What should we not put in there? You don't want to put anything in that's not yours. If you didn't make it or create it, don't share it. If another VIP Kid teacher made it, let them share it. That way they can get a little nod for the stuff that they're creating and doing. Don't duplicate. If someone's already put something in that's a good list, don't duplicate that and re-put it in. We also don't want to steal stuff. If you've made it, share it. If you didn't make it, let them share it. If it's copyrighted, definitely don't share it. Never add anything that has a copyright. Okay, I hope this helps you figure out what the do's and don'ts for the props list. This is a pretty easy one, but it will save us a lot of time to collaborate here.